Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a fantastic and all-natural solution for those stubborn crack heels that have been bothering you. Can you guess what it is? That's right, bananas. Stick around as we show you how to make a soothing banana smash treatment to pamper your feet and say goodbye to crack heels. Let's get started. Before we jump into process, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need ripe bananas, 2 to 3 depending on the size of your feet, a bowl, a fork, honey, 2 tablespoons, coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, oatmeal optional for exfoliation, plastic wrap, socks, and towel. Bananas are packed with vitamins and natural moisturizers that will work wonders on your heels. Mash them up using a fork until you have a smooth consistency. This time, adding the goodness, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, help your skin retain moisture, and coconut oil is incredibly nourishing. Then add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. For an extra touch, you can add oatmeal to the mixture. Oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, helping to remove dead skin cells and making your feet feel super soft. Mix it in well. It's time to pamper your feet. Wash and dry your feet thoroughly, then apply the banana mixture generously all over your heels. Massaging it using circular motions. Not only will this treatment help heal your crack heels, but it will also feel incredibly relaxing. Once you've massaged the mixture in, wrap your feet with plastic wrap to lock in the goodness. Put on a pair of socks to keep everything in place. Now, sit back, relax, and let the magic happen for about 20 to 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, unwrap your feet and you'll notice how soft and rejuvenated they feel. Wash up the mixture with warm water and gently pat your feet dry with a towel. And there you have it, a delightful DIY banana smash treatment for those pesky crack heels. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to soft, beautiful feet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more natural remedies, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video.